Hey guys, we received these dream pairs, boys, girls, shoe kits, DuraPlay, tennis running, athletic protective walking sneakers for kids. So this is for test and try. And let's just open the box. So comes in a really nice box. So this shoes looks good. So first impression is a nice shoe. So you can see like in the front there is no mesh. So it's like a resistance to the abrasion or anything, and you can easily play walking with this. So it's more durable, and then the sole and everything looks really nice with the cushionable and memory foam inside. So there is a 360 all around protection with the abrasion cycles easily to withstand that one, and then to play and walk. So it feel comfortable with the memory foam and easy to wear and looks good as well.